In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Coinbase Wallet app 2025. This walkthrough will help you confidently access your self-custody wallet with clear tips to avoid common mistakes and keep your crypto safe. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure it's the standalone wallet app, not the Coinbase Exchange app. If you're unsure, the wallet app icon typically includes a wallet motif, and the app name says Coinbase Wallet. It's also a good idea to update to the latest version and ensure you have a stable internet connection before proceeding. When the app loads, you'll see a screen asking how you want to sign in to your wallet. Depending on your previous setup, you might see options like using a recovery phrase, a cloud backup, or connecting another device. In this guide, we'll focus on signing in with a recovery phrase since that's the most universal method across devices and regions. If you're using a recovery phrase, tap the option for recovery phrase. This method restores your exact wallet and assets, so only use it on a device you trust. Make sure you're in a private space and that no one can see your screen. Avoid copying your phrase into notes apps, screenshots, or cloud services, and don't paste it into any website. Your recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet. Keep it offline and secure. Next, choose Enter manually. Some versions may offer other ways to input the phrase, like scanning or importing from a backup. For maximum control, and to reduce copying errors, we'll enter it by hand. Take your time here. Precision matters. Now carefully enter your recovery phrase exactly as it was given to you. It's typically 12 or 24 lowercase words in the correct order, separated by single spaces. Watch for spelling, extra spaces, or swapped words. One wrong character can prevent access. If the app suggests words as you type, use those suggestions only if they match your original phrase. Double check before continuing. After you've entered the full phrase, proceed to confirm. The app will verify the phrase and restore your wallet. This may take a few moments. Once complete, you'll see your wallet interface, networks, and assets. If the app prompts you to set app-level security like a passcode or biometric lock, that's to protect local access to your device and is separate from your recovery phrase. That's it. You've successfully logged into the Coinbase Wallet app using your recovery phrase. Keep your phrase safe, never share it, and consider writing it on paper and storing it securely. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.